Hi Pam, just spoke to you on the phone. I hope you enjoy your grandkids and don't think about me too much. No, I'm just kidding. But this is Scott Walker. I'm the digital marketer from BNI, and I just was hoping to show you things that if you needed them, but it looks like you might only need help with possibly your Google Ads. But I'll show you why that is in just a few seconds. But usually I go over your website and then your Google Business Profile, and then I'll share your Google Ads. So first off, if I would recommend anything for you, because you are kind of ranking for a few good keywords, especially for Bremerton, let me just double check this one. Yeah. I would add some more content to your website, personally. The reason I say that is because Google loves to see content. They want to see 1,500 to 2,000 words, and currently you are at 767. And throughout that content, you want to be found for buyer intent keywords. And to me, that is usually a service like auto glass repair and Bremerton together. So Bremerton auto glass repair or auto glass repair Bremerton. The other thing you could do is if you save your images correctly, instead of it saying this mumbo jumbo right here, that could also be if you save the meta description correctly, the alternate text, that could be a buyer intent keyword as well. And looking here at your, this is Ahrefs. It's a third-party tool that gives me your analytics and finishes your setting. The DR and UR is the strength and trust that Google has for your website. These are on a scale of 100, and you want those continuously moving up while balanced. You're currently at 4 and 11 due to your referring domains and pages. And if you don't know what those are backlinks. And what a backlink is when one website links to another website via clickable button or text. But not all backlinks are created equal, so you do want to make sure to stay relevant to your industry and also your location. It looks like you're being indexed for 438 keywords, and you're getting about 200 people to your website each month, which is pretty good for local businesses. Like right here, auto glass repair Bremerton, you're in position 2. There's 80 searches a month, and you're getting 37 people to your website, roughly, each and every month due to that. Windshield replacement, same thing, second position. There's only 60 searches, so it will be less. But those are the types of keywords that you do want to be found for, and it looks like I said, you're doing pretty well there. But the one thing that I don't know what happened there. The one thing that I really have helped a lot of auto glass companies and their benefit from working with me is their Google Ads. Now, you see that I said windshield replacement and Bremerton. Right here you see windshield from Safelite and auto glass. You don't see anything about windshield replacements. I mean, you see it right there, but it's not in the same area. And then here, windshield connection doesn't say anything about windshield or auto glass. And then this one just says auto glass. And the cool thing about optimizing your Google Ads is you want everything themed together. So windshield replacement is going to be a different ad group and will be shown in different searches than window repair or windshield repair. Auto glass replacement and auto glass repair are both separate, and even windshield replacement and auto glass replacement are all separate. Now, I don't know how if you also do like RV windshield replacement, residential, anything like that. Let me know. We could, broaden our searches if we need to find some more areas that we can group up. But that's kind of where I've been helping a lot of auto glass companies, and like I said, anywhere from 3 to 5 times in their investment for a return on investment for them. So, looks like you're doing very well right here for the auto glass, for the Google Business Profile. I do recommend a couple of, there's a recommendation I could tell you next time when we talk about getting reviews, and you could have a better one, kind of pad your numbers, if you will. But that is the number one thing that I found by having the most reviews and the highest value of reviews has been the most beneficial. So there's a few other things, but since you're already here for the location, we might look at Polson and see how they're doing. And you're also doing pretty well, like I said, for windshield replacement in Bremerton as well. So pretty much what I just wanted to show you is right here, there's 180, oh my gosh, I hate when this pops up. There was 180 searches for just windshield, and I did Bremerton and Polson. So like each and every month there's 200 searches, and that's with this is when you're talking about your website or your Google Business Profile. I'm sure there's hundreds, if not thousands more for windshield replacement and windshield repair type of stuff, or rock chip that we could look at in Google Ads. So that's just kind of where I am. I hope you enjoy your grandkids again, Pamela, and we will talk soon. Have a great day, and we'll talk to you in a couple weeks.